Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Faceyogamaster, Natural Beauty Over 40. So in today's video, I thought I would show you some great sinus relief and also to really help with any clogged ears by doing great lymphatic drainage massage. We're then finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage release. Now, first things first, I like to start off with clean skin and highly recommend you do that so you're not adding any bacteria to your face. And also I like to use a little bit of facial oil so you've got to slip and glide so you're not compromising the skin by dragging or pulling at it. So I have my one here. So this is one with little bits of gold in it, and I like to apply just a couple of drops to the fingers, and we want to place our oil by the side of the nose and by in between the eyes, and then just under the cheekbones, and then in front of the ears and behind the ears here, and then just down either side of the neck here, the big SCM muscle. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take our fingers and we're going to start from the top and work our way down for the final lymphatic drainage. So I'm just going to place my fingers between the eyebrows and just do some gentle pulsating first. And this is a really great acupressure point. And then just massage one way and the other way. Also, if you do have any allergies, or even if you've got a slight cold, this really does help sort of really relieve, say, any of that congestion. So just gliding now between the eyes, side of the nose with the finger. Nice and light, and because we've applied a facial oil, it's really going to help. And then either side of the nose here, we have some indentations, and if you just give those a few gentle circular motions one way, we hold a lot of tension in this area, and then if you can actually go the other way afterwards, you can go in a bit deeper if you like after, and then glide under the cheekbone towards the ears. And then with the ring finger, because we have a lighter touch, again, between the eyebrows and just gliding down the side of the nose halfway, and then under the eyes where the bone is towards the temples. Just releasing any congestion in this area. Now, I've been a facialist for the last 7 years and I'm really passionate about skincare and to really help you on your skincare journey. So please tell me how you get on with this, and also if there's any other facial massage techniques you'd love me to share with you. And then just come down by the temples, down to the side of the ears, nice and light. And then again, by the side of the nose, drawing everything down. And then under the cheekbone towards the ears. And we'll do this one last time. Under the eyes here. Down by the side of the nose. Massaging either side of the nose, and then just gliding under the cheekbone towards the ears. And then just taking the fingers and just gliding down from the temples to the front of the ear area here. You may want to swallow as you literally feel things moving along. So now with our thumb placed behind the ear here, fingers above, let's just really give our ears a lovely massage on the lobes here. We tend to forget about the ears when we're doing a facial massage. And you just want to slowly work, nice massage in an upwards motion along the ears. This is actually a good one, I always think, as well. If you can't sleep in the evening, I always find just massaging the ears can really help. I know, strange as it sounds. Let's do that again, just massaging. Again, if you don't have earrings in, it's probably a lot easier. And then just slowly working our way up towards the ears, along. And then placing our thumb just under, sort of just behind the front part of the ear here, and then taking our fingers into a hook, and again just massaging. Really nice light massage. And then again, thumb placed under the ear here, behind, and then just pull the ears out. And you always do like a flicking motion, opening up those tubes. And then work your way slowly up along the ear. Let's just do that again, taking the fingers. You don't want to be too heavy-handed, but just literally flicking now along in an upwards motion. If you can do this in a mirror, you may find it a bit easier. And then again, just very gently massage, going upwards. And then with the fingers here, placing the fingers in front of the ears at the bottom, let's just massage this area here. Now we have plenty of lymph nodes around the ear, in front and behind the ears. So we're just moving everything along, loosening everything up. Nice massage. And then work our way to the top of the ear. Massaging that top ear part. And then behind the ear. Getting a nice, really nice massage. And if you want to incorporate literally behind the ear as well. And coming all the way down to the bottom of the ear. And then we're going to massage our fingers in a round circular motion all along the neck here. So the bottom of the head, top of the neck. And if you find a little extra point, which is a little bit sore or tender, just give it a little light massage out. And again, we have plenty of lymph nodes here. And then with the fingers, one at a time, hands, with the flat of the hand, just gliding down the big SCA muscle from the back of the neck towards the collarbone here and on the other side. And then taking our fingers into a V shape, we're going to place them, our fingers in front and behind the ears here now. And again, just gently gliding down, front and behind the ears, either side. Again, plenty of lymph nodes, really getting ready for that lymphatic drainage. Again, you may want to swallow. And then with one hand at a time, just glide down the big SCA muscle down to the collarbone. Nice and light. And then for the final lymphatic drainage release, which is so important to do because we've moved all the toxins and waste from the eye area, the nose area outwards, and also the ears, and we've moved it all the way down. So from the chin all the way down, where our collarbone is, just above, we have some indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within this area into the body, ready for elimination. And you should find you should have a nice release and relief from congestion on the nose and also the ear area. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing if you found this useful, and please comment down below. Please tell me how you got on with this and if you found any difference. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.